Well, welcome in to another woolly review. We are doing Yarnsmiths Lagoon DK in the shade 2J120. Whatever that means. It's sea greens and blues, basically. It does require a 4mm hook according to recommendations, and so I have a 4mm hook. That's what we're going to use because that's what it says it prefers. And I can't even get the ball band out. I love the ball band because no plastic. We won't talk about the ink that is used for it, but there's no plastic on the ball band, which is superb. So let's get this donut onto my genie. I don't think it's had a donut on it before. This has got colours of teal and turquoise and light blue and denim blue and moss green. There is a little bit of stretch in there, and I don't know if you can see that. There is a little bit of fuzz, but this is 100% premium acrylic. On this cake, there is 100 grams in weight and approximately 340 meters or 372 yards. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, which will be enough. Now this isn't a woolly Wednesday prize, so I can do a full test swatch on this, starting with the single crochets, 2 rows of. Now these come in 25 colours, I believe, and as of time of recording, per donut, as it were, is £2.50. It feels fairly nice as a donut. Feels nice, like what you'd hope your average yarn would be. It doesn't feel like the average yarn, but you'd hope that the average yarn felt like this. It feels nice. Working with it like this doesn't seem to be an issue, feeling it. Or at least at the moment. Oh, look at that, it gone all curly. Aww. Sort it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're going to do another row of single crochets. Of course, we are not here to judge the colour. We are not here to judge my poor crochet skills. So please don't. But we are here to judge how it works up, how it feels, the price for what you're getting. It is very, very fuzzy, I have to say. So I am kind of dreading the frog. I don't mind visiting the frog ordinarily, but on the odd occasion, you just know that the frog is going to be in a bad mood. And today I have a bad feeling, but I guess we will soon find out. I think I might have to put a grip onto my hook. I don't think it's going to fit, but it's not going to fit. Have I got a bigger one? I have a bigger one, but I don't think that's going to fit either. No, that's not going to fit either. Ah, ratatouille. Okay. It's what it is, what it is. Put up with it, Khadijah. Put up with it. Okay. So there we have single crochets. So now we're going to go in for the half doubles. Now all of the colours that they have, they're all a variety of, and by the looks of the donut, the colour change is slow and subtle. or at least with this particular donut. I can't vouch for the other colours because I currently only have the colour 2J120. This is something that I hate. It bugs me. It does happen every now and again, and you end up with huge twists. It happens to me with Stylecraft Cabaret, and what's the other similar one to that? But it ends up doing its own little twisty thing, which thing is, if it twists too much, you end up with very, very difficult looking stitches, because some of them will look very tight, very thin, and I don't like that. I don't like that. But anyway, let's go into that last stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Do, 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 do. And do one more row of the half doubles. Oops. There we go. And I am getting cramp. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, let's try again. I have no idea why I did that, but okay, we'll just carry on regardless. Like I said, we're not here to judge my poor crocheting skills, we're here to judge the yarn. You're gonna have to let me know if you've given this a go. I think I've got 3 balls of this. Oh, look. Personal bugbear. Because I'm planning to make a shawl with this. I hope to make a shawl with this. My thumb's going again. I really should do my hand exercises before doing these videos. So there we have 2 single rows, 2 half double rows. So we'll do 2 more rows of double. Of course, I'm using American terms rather than English, because I know the wider audience works with American terms. Frankly, I can use both, and I understand both, and I'm happy with both, as long as the pattern that I'm reading states whether it's American or English. And most of the time you have to read through it and go, oh, they're using American terms, got it. But you know, sometimes you gotta look ahead before you can take a step. Look before you leap, you know. Okay. Oh my gosh, the cramp. Everything about Lagoon, its care instructions, the official information is all down below in the description, just down there. And a link to the woolwarehouse, where I stated this is £2.50 per donut at the moment. And Beanie has just taken my spot on the sofa, which means that when I finish this, she'll have just gotten properly comfy, and then I go and move her. I'm so mean. Okay, so we'll do one more row of the double crochets, and by then we should be ready to meet Monsieur Frog. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, okay. Still feeling fairly good in the fingers, having no issue. That's a bonus. The cramp has got nothing to do with the yarn at all. That's just my own personal issue. I think a 4mm is a good call for this. I don't think it's wise to go any lower. Of course, depending on your pattern, if gauge is needed, you may well have to go up or down a little bit, but I think a 4mm hook is spot on. Which I haven't been able to say that for a couple of reviews now, so that's a good thing. Okay, nearly there. My thumb will be grateful. Oh my gosh. Oh, gee willikers. Nearly there. Oop. One last one. And we can put the hook down. Yay! Thank you, Susan, but okay. That feels rather nice. I would say I would be very, very happy to have that against skin. I think it's good. Like I said, it's got a little bit of elasticity as well, so it's not bad. There's our stitches. Not bad definition. Okay, let's do the bit that I'm dreading. Oh my gosh. Hey, Monsieur Frog. How are you doing? Oh, you're not overly happy? Oh, tell me about it. Oh, really? Oh dear. Well, is there anything I can do to help? Well, how about a ride on the moped? Would that cheer you up? Maybe you shouldn't ride a moped when you're angry. Oh my gosh. No, I think you should come off the moped and just rest for a bit, because oh my gosh, there's so much fuzz. Oh my gosh. Well, that's not good. Okay, well that didn't take overly a lot of effort to snap that. But, yeah, I think if you're going to frog, beware. Despite it being premium acrylic, there is a fair old, I don't know if you can see that, fair old bit of fuzz attached to this donut. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We don't have any kinkage to speak of, so that's a bonus. But it did do the twisting thing on me, which instantly marks it down by half a mark for me. But, you know, maybe that doesn't bother you. But this is my review. You can leave your comments down below and let me know. what you think. But for me, the Yarnsmiths Lagoon, thank you very much, little ladybird. I will go straight there for the time being, and say, well, would I be okay if it were the only premium acrylic in the shop and I were desperate? Would I say it was in my top 10? £2.50, 340 meters. Some not bad colours, but I'm not a multicolored fan personally, but there's a good little amount in there. It's not too bad. £2.50, 340. Can't frog it. 25 different variants of colour. It doesn't feel too bad. It's kind of a difficult one. I'm gonna kind of do that. I'm gonna go with a 3 3/4. Can I do that? Can I do? Yes, I can do that because it's my review. You might have a different opinion, but this is mine. The fact that you can't frog it when it's acrylic, it's plastic for heaven's sake. Why have you got so much fuzz? You're not recycled even. You're just acrylic. Not a bad price. I like the very, very slow colour change on this. That's one of my personal preferences. I don't like very quick colour changes, so that's a plus. It does break very easily. I mean, I didn't exactly pull overly hard, but it wasn't happy with me at all. But there's just so much fuzz. Just so much fuzz, which isn't a good thing. If I wanted fuzz, I would buy wool. Ugh, I give up. That's me. That's my review. 3 3/4 for the Lagoon. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Let me know. Take care. Bye bye.